sometimes shit happens and you need to ask the court for help really fast. That's when you can ask for an emergency temporary order. And there are two kinds. The first is without notice to the other parent, and the second is with notice. So in order to get one without notice, there has to be some bad shit going down. It has to be that the child is being physically abused, the other person just got in a DUI with the child in the car, I hope that's not what's happening, right? Or that they're threatening to kidnap the child and take them to Egypt where there's no way to get the child back. There has to be a really, really serious issue. Sometimes the court says yes, and sometimes the court says no. If they say no, then you can ask for one with notice and the court will schedule a hearing and then you serve the other parent. And typically the court will schedule those very, very quickly because it is typically an emergency. But in order to make sure that the court gives you clout and doesn't think of the story from when you were a kid of the boy who cried wolf, you only need to ask for emergencies when it's a true emergency. You can ask for standard temporary orders, even if it's a little dicey, right? It has to be a true emergency to get emergency orders. So make sure that you get really good legal advice so that you're asking the court for the appropriate relief.